Hi guys, I really hope you're having an amazing day. It's SheedollKe here. For the new subscribers, welcome to the family. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey Maze, I don't know what you're waiting for. You're missing out on a lot. Guys, for the longest time I've been really wanting to own a ring light, and finally I got my own. So this one I got it for my birthday. I got it from Kenyan, and this ring light goes for 1300 on Kenyan, inclusive of the transportation fee. What is funny, this similar ring light for shop you get it at 3500 shillings. So although this one comes with a desktop stand, it's quite a fair deal because you can still get the bigger stand at 900 shillings on Kenyan. So that is 1300 plus 900, you get around 2200. So let's say around, if you understand, around 2500 inclusive of the transportation fee. You save 1000 shillings. So it's up to you to decide whether you want to save some coins or if you want to go for the one for 3500 shillings, because I think they are just similar products. An envelope right here from Kenyan. I don't know what is inside, but we're going to find out together. So in this video we're going to be doing the unboxing as well as setting up these ring lights. So I've got my scissors right here. Sijui tuanze tu na hii envelope and then we'll get to the ring light. So this is the envelope from Kenyan. It contains 3 masks. Corona hatari. So you have to keep safe. Kenyan wamesema lazima tuvae masks. So they actually rewarded me 3 masks for purchasing a product from them. Thank you, Kenyan. So I think that is it for the envelope. And then there is a receipt right here. It basically has my details, my name, the date of ordering, where it's supposed to be delivered, and also the order number, among other things. Actually, there is also what I'm actually purchasing, and the quantity, and the shop name. So yeah, we get to do the unboxing now. So I'm really excited.